Alright, man, here go another light slight video. I ain't uploading in a while because it's been hot as shit, man. Y'all see it's cloudy, no sun out. So y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the title, man. And let me show y'all the feet. Nothing too crazy, cool little 53, nothing too crazy. Now, if you've been following my Instagram, you probably seen this. It's not been on YouTube yet. If you remember how the design looked on my car, I did have black teeth and I did switch that to silver, all the teeth to silver. In my opinion, looks way better. But y'all see, man, big red eye, you know what I'm saying? But I got my ATV back on Monday. Y'all see. Now I'm gonna put a clip of what it looked like when I got it. I literally pretty much rebuilt the whole thing. Everything, not everything, but most of the stuff is new. After looking at it, I'm probably gonna color the frame, like paint the frame and then change out this back sway bar or whatever that's called, not for sure. But pretty much the bike is done. So you see I did add my own decals on here. If you've seen the video that I just put up here, it was pretty much all plain yellow with a couple small decals from the purse. For the person that had it, they had a couple of stickers on it, but I rubbed it all the way down and I put these on here, man. You see what I'm saying? Big 400. You see what I'm saying? Bam, got that. Shicey seats on the side. I did add these random little spots throughout the ATV as well. This all is reflective red. Got the 1328 right here. Added a new thumb throttle in red. New gas cap in red. New tires. The rims I ended up painting myself, spray painted the rims. I don't know if the camera really picking this up, but it got a little flicker in the paint. And then I did add some red lug nuts that matches the fuel cap and the thumb throttle as well. This was yellow. I bought a black one and then added the sticker on part of this that came with the whole sticker kit. Did add a new brake line that was actually needed, so I went on and ordered a red one. You see, it gives it a little extra pop right there. Added these bars on the front, replaced the ones that's on here. These are a little bit wider and these are black. The ones that was on here was silver. Also added this grill. See, you got the teeth right here. I did spray paint this the same color as the rims. I did go ahead and switch out the calipers and brake pads as well. Added a new headlight. The old headlight, it just had that fog look to it, so I just switched it out, and this one got black across versus the one that had yellow across. And these are front new tires as well. I did buy new coolant tank, new carburetor. This is new carburetor. I did add a big bore kit on the engine as well. I did go ahead and switch the chain out, ordered a red chain, and then I got new sprocket as well, got that in black. And did the brakes on the back as well, and also a new brake disc, kind of like a different design too, and it's brand new versus the rest of the one. And I did add exhaust as well, big gun exhaust, new header pipe as well. This is a header pipe and this is the big gun exhaust. And I didn't end up cutting this right here because this was on top of this, and when it get hot it was melting it. It only melted the bottom, but you can't really tell I cut it. It looked like it came like that. Now I did add a new radiator right here. That's the fan. I did spray paint this because this was silver, but I spray painted this the same color as the rims. New seat cover as well. This came with a blue seat. I took out the blue leather and put black. Spray paint this the same color as the rims. What else? And that's pretty much it. And also I did, it's a new battery, a new starter, and a new starter relay, and it's a couple other small parts that you can't see that's being replaced on here. Most of the stuff that I replaced, it didn't need to be replaced, but I did it because why not? I'm taking over the bike. I was pretty much rebuilding the engine, so I kind of want to do some of the parts as well. Y'all know me, man, pretty much cosmetic guy, so I'm concerned about how it looks. So that's why you see it looked crazy, and I almost wanted to spray paint or redo the shocks just because they look kind of old. But this is supposed to be a small hobby. It kind of turned a little bit expensive, but not too bad. Didn't spend too much money because I got the bike itself for a cheap price. And then I went with a neighborhood mechanic versus the shop, which that was good because the guy that did the bike, we sent texts back and forth. He let me know what I needed. He ain't jerked me around, you know what I'm saying? Gave me a good price, definitely, because I compared it to the shop. Now I also did order some Albert Nerf Bars. I'm gonna show y'all those. So I'm gonna install those, but I wanted to show y'all what the bike looked like because I'm gonna do an install video with the Nerf Bar, so it's gonna be a separate video. Y'all see, man, I did color the radiator grill as well, the same color as the rims, and it pretty much came out nice. Y'all see the whole thing's color coordinated, pretty much black, yellow, gray. This is, like I say, it's electric start, so you just turn it on right here, and this is your clutch. This is the throttle. This is the brakes, front brakes. Got your foot brake down right here, and that's pretty much it. It does have a tail light, and the headlight works as well. It has high beams, low beams. I'm gonna give y'all a riding video as well as exhaust of this review of this exhaust. You know what I'm saying? A couple of little flybys, revving it real quick, showing y'all what it sounds like. Definitely still gonna do some stuff to the bike, but I wanted to get it to the point where, of course, it was rideable, and then to the point where everything else I had to kind of do it myself. You know what I'm saying? As far as all the engine stuff, I'm not gonna do that. If I do add like some hot cams or something, I will take that back for him to do it, but I will give y'all some type of review on that as well. But like the Nerf bars, coloring the frame and stuff like that, I do that stuff myself, and I'll be posting videos about that. I'm pretty sure I switch out these springs at some point, this one and this one, and the one in the back. Let's let this truck pass. But I'll show y'all these Nerf bars right here. These some old helmets that came with the bike. I'm selling those. I ordered a new helmet, but these are the Nerf bars right here. I did go with black with the red netting. Like I said, it's Albert Racing Nerf bars. Wait for that truck to pass. Damn, garbage truck. But that's pretty much it, man. Definitely stay tuned if you want to know how to install these. You can buy the whole thing, but I already got the heel, like the heel pieces, so I just ordered the Nerf bars itself. But you can replace the whole thing. I did paint those so they do look better, because they was like a, y'all seen the previous video with all how old it looked, but it's totally different now. Like I said, I got a video with installing these, and just to show y'all the bike one last time, man. Like I said, this is a Suzuki LTZ 400cc motor. I did put a big bore kit on it, so that up the speed a little bit. Definitely, I believe, I'm not for sure, I believe it's either 4 or 5 gears on here. I'm pretty sure it's 5. Y'all, if y'all know about this, y'all watching this, y'all comment down below and let me know. Stay tuned for all the videos I got coming. So I got a riding video, gonna put the GoPro on, as well as the I'm gonna do a video with this big gun exhaust, revving it, showing y'all what it sounds like, you know what I'm saying, full throttle on that stuff, and the Nerf ball install, plus everything else I got coming. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm out.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, 11 past 11.